Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Yakitori Toast. Yakitori is char-grilled chicken skewers that looks like this. It's one of the most popular menus at izakaya-style restaurants, but it's also available in a can like this. And this might be a little difficult to find, but once you found it, the rest is so easy. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Yakitori Toast, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Slices of bread, rather thick. Mayonnaise, shredded mozzarella, canned yakitori, negi Japanese leek, and nori strips. All as much as you like. Let's slice some leek first. You can use green onion instead, and you don't need much. Let's just make thin diagonal slices. This much will do. Spread some mayonnaise on the bread. Canned yakitori. It's a bit chunky, so let's cut it into small pieces in the can. Then on the bread. Some leek, shredded mozzarella, parchment paper on the oven sheet. Let's put the bread, and grill in the preheated oven, 250 degrees Celsius. I grilled it for 8 minutes or so, and the cheese is nicely melted and burned. Let's sprinkle some nori strips. And it's done. Let's cut it into half so that it's easier to eat. And いただきます。This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. It's meal for one, so let's make the whole meal nice and simple. Yakitori toast goes here. It's not rice, but it's carbs, so it goes here. Instant miso soup or any soup you like here. I want to have little more protein, so let's have broccoli to tamago no salada for one of the side dishes. And you can forget about the main and the other side. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!